histogram on the left is showing us the interval in minutes between eruptions of the Old Faithful Geyser. This is for 222 recorded eruptions. Now, for this population, it says that the median is 75 minutes. So we can say that that would be our parameter. So we have a population distribution on the left, and the median is 75. Now, over here on the right, we have used technology to take 500 SRSs of size 10 from the population. The 500 values of the sample median are displayed in the histogram on the right. So let's give a label to this. This is now a sampling distribution of medians. Now, it says the mean of those 500 values is 73.5. The mean of the medians, that's going to be right about here, 73.5. Okay, so in this first question, when it's asking us, is the sample median an unbiased estimator of the population median? Well, our value over here is 73.5, which is not the same as the population median of 75. They're somewhat close, but they're not exactly the same. And so what we can say here is that no, it's not unbiased, because the mean of the sample median which was 73.5, that is not the same as the true population median. All right, so then let's look at the second question here. So that question 2, it says, suppose we have taken samples of size 20 instead of size 10, so we're going to increase the sample size. We want to know how the variability is going to be affected. So actually, take a moment on your own. I want you to go ahead and think about that question 2 and write down your answer. What happens to the variability when the sample size increases to size 20? We should have said the variability decreases. That is what happens when our sample size increases. All right, the final part here for part 3 describes the shape of the sampling distribution. How would you guys describe the shape here? If you were to think about that curve, looks like it is skewed left. Here we can describe that it looks like there is a single peak between maybe about 75 and 77.5. So in this case, because it's skewed left, that means that in general, these underestimates are going to be greater than the overestimates.